Hello, I'm Antrisha. In this session, I'm going to discuss about what I'm thinking about the Agile development process and also what the Agile development process is helpful for the software industries. Okay, let me discuss. Okay, first we discuss about what I think about the Agile development process. So, the Agile is an adaptive, flexible approach to the software development, and we know that we have many models like waterfall model. It follows the sequential step and it doesn't allow for any changes once the requirements are set. But however, in the Agile, it embraces the changes even late in the process, and it focuses on delivering the small functional part of the software in short cycles which is called a sprint. This enables the team to respond to feedback quickly and adjust the product based on evolving the requirements. Okay, and some of the key aspects which I identified for making the agile is beneficial. Okay, first thing is customer centric focus. So in this agile, the customer is involved throughout the process. After each sprint, a working piece of software is delivered to gather the feedback. This ensures the product aligned with the customer need and it reduces the chance of delivering something irrelevant or off target. Then the second thing I understand is flexibility and adaptability. So here the agile is designed to embrace the changes even if they come late in the development. This is especially useful in fast changing industries like technology where the new trends, market demands or the customer preferences are built here. And also so likewise, we can make any adapt changes in the agile at any time. Then the third thing I understand is collaborations and communications. This agile encourages the regular communications between the developers, stakeholders, and customers. And they also conduct regular meetings such as daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospective, which ensure the alignment and transparency. It also helping the team to address the problems early and stay on the track. Then the other thing which I understand is incremental delivery. So this agile break down the large project into the smaller manageable task, and each sprint delivers the working part of the product which can be reviewed and tested. This helps maintain momentum and it allows for the quicker delivery of value to customers. Uh, then Then focus on quality. So here Agile promotes the regular testing throughout the development process. Continuous testing, code reviews and the use of the automated tools helps to ensure that the bugs are catched early and leading to the higher quality final product. So here the bugs are catches early. So the cost is very efficient in Agile. Okay, then and we see so many beneficials, but some more challenges is also there in Agile, which I noted is constant client involvement. Uh, Here, the Agile requires the constant involvement of the customer, and if the customer is not available or responsive, it can slow down the project. Then the other thing is requires the strong discipline. Agile must be self-organized and disciplined. Without this, the process can become chaotic. Without this, the process leading to missing the deadlines or also it lead to the incomplete work. So these some challenges which I uh, note down in the Agile process. Okay, now I summarize the things which I know about the Agile development process and is this Agile doesn't shy away from any changes. Even if it is a new requirement come up late, the team can embrace it, ensuring the final product is relevant and up to date. And this Agile also prioritizes the customer involvement over the lengthy contract discussions. Here the customer is engaged regularly through the feedback and they review about the sessions, they ensuring the product meets their expectations. rather than sticking to the rigid contract. And this agile adapt its plan as needed instead of following the strict plan from the start. This agile team regularly update the plan based on the feedback and emergency issues or new opportunities. And the main thing is quality is the key focus in agile. By continuously testing and reviewing the code thoroughly throughout the development, team catches the bugs early and they preventing the bigger problems down the line. Then and this agile ensures that working software is developed delivered continuously. By the end of each sprint, team have the functional product to show, keeping the project progressing steadily, and they regularly make up the daily stand-up meetings to monitor the progress of each developers involved in the projects. So these are the main things which I have understood in this agile development process, and compared to the waterfall model, the agile is very best thing which I understood. Then okay, now we go okay. Now we go to discuss about the agile development process will be helpful in the software industries. Okay, let me discuss about this. This agile development process offers numerous advantages to the software industries, especially today's fast-paced and ever-evolving technologies landscape. Okay, here is how the agile can be particularly beneficial. The first thing is faster time to market. We already know that Agile is the iterative approach, which means the team deliver the usable software in the short cycles, it reducing the time it takes to get the working product into the hand of the users. This Agile speed up the delivery by working in sprints and delivering the usable product part of the product regularly. Companies can get the working software out very faster. So the early and frequent releases also allow the companies to validate the ideas and adapt based on the user feedback. Then the next thing is adaptability to the changing requirements. These also we previously discussed about this, that if the new requirement is come at the late end of the project, then also the adaptability, which means the changes is done there. This agile embrace the changes, which allows the software industries to pivot and adjust their project goals even in the late development process. So flexibility is more available in agile, and it leads to the customer focused product that better meet the market needs. Then the next thing is higher product quality. So here we know that in Agile, the continuous testing and frequent reviews are conducted, so which ensure that this Agile ensure that the bugs and issues are catched early and leading to the better quality product in the long run. This improves the quality by catching the bugs early, and regular testing and reviews mean fewer problems later, leading to giving up the more reliable product to the customer, and this makes the customer is very satisfied about their product. Then the next thing is improved customer satisfaction. Okay, why Agile gives the high customer satisfaction is because Agile keeps the customer involved throughout the process all the time and adapt to their feedback. The final product is much more likely to meet their expectations. Uh, because the customer is involved in every step adapting product to their feedback, and we know that the developer is frequently releases as iteration to iteration they release the product to the customer can view the product developed up to the iterations, and if any modifications they want they can immediately give the feedback, and the developers can note that, then they modify. So due to this only the agile leads to higher customer satisfaction. Then the other thing is efficient risk management. Okay, in this efficient risk management, Agile's incremental approach allows the teams to identify and address the risk early, Frequent reviews help to uncover potential problems before they grow. So it helps, Agile helps manage risk better by breaking the project into smaller tasks as a manageable task and reviewing the progress regularly so the teams can catch and resolve the risk early on. Okay, then the next thing is enhanced team collaboration. We already know that in the Agile, they were the developers were continuously conduct the regular meeting, daily stand-up meetings, sprint planning sessions, and retrospectives. So with this, we can understand it is more collaborative. It's very easy to collaborate, and the customer is also very interactive in this all the time. So this only leads to the better team dynamics and more efficient workflows. So this enhance the team collaborations in this agile development process. Then the next thing is cost effective development. Why it is cost effective means because it identify the risk, this agile is better risk management, right? So this identify the risk from iteration to iteration, they catches the risk early and they fix the problems in earlier. So this may cause the cost effective. So and issues and risks are identified early, minimizing the likelihood of large-scale project failure that can be costly. By breaking down the project into smaller, achievable goals, this agile development ensures time and resources are efficiently used, reducing the unnecessary waste in the projects and the regular updates and shorter development cycles. This also allow the business to manage the budget more effectively. So these are all the reasons why the agile is cost effective development. Then transparency and accountability. This also we have already discussed that this agile development is enhances the regular, which means it encourages the regular updates, meetings, communications with stakeholders. So these all the things keep everyone informed about the progress of the project. This also reducing the miscommunications and this also ensure the accountability across the team. So by creating the clear deliverables for each sprint, uh, this agile also ensures that the team member is responsible to their contribution. Then the next thing is competitive advantage. The software industries using the agile can more quickly to market changes, technological trends and customer demands, giving them the significant edge over the competitors relying on the traditional development approaches. So by focusing on delivering the customer value quickly and iterating frequently, business can stay relevant and maintain the competitive position. Okay. So these are all the things which I have found that this agile development process, how the agile development process is helpful for the software industries. Then, okay, then conclusion. Okay, as a conclusion, I said that it offers the software industries a flexible, adaptive, and customer-focused approach that drive the fastest delivery, improve the product quality, and continuous improvement. It also embraces the change even in the late end of the project is also. It has the better communications and collaborations between the customers, teams, and stakeholders. This also encourages the frequent feedback and it also encourages the accountability and traceability, manage regular updates. It enables the companies to stay competitive, manage the risk effectively, deliver the solutions aligned with our market needs. And it is iterative and incremental nature which leads to higher productivity, better resource management, and this also increase the customer satisfaction, making the agile an essential methodology for the modern software development. So this agile is expected to continue to grow and evolve in the future with the several trends like adoption across sectors, enterprise-wide phenomenon, AI and ML integrations, DevOps, then serverless computing and so on. It will be more and more it will be uh, developed in future. Okay. Thank you.